Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Kids Python Challenge. Okay, let's continue our work. So last time, let's see the slide. So last time we did Turtle's Treasure Hunting Part 2, so that it's kind of, we made a very very much visualized version of the treasure hunting using turtle graphics. Okay, let's see how it worked and try to finish the homework. Okay, so let's see. Open the E4 Python notebook, connect, and maybe if you haven't done so, please run the pip install box cell so that you can use Collab Turtle. And then, okay, let's see where we were. So the first box will draw the grid of, say, 5 by 5 or 6 by 6 in this case. Okay, so it will draw horizontal 6 lines, then vertical 6 lines. Okay, and then we continue the turtles treasure hunting. Last time, maybe I forgot to, yeah, at the end of the line drawing, pen was up. So I need to pen down here just before starting the for loop. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, I hope you like this. So it's near the center, so maybe we can go north. It's up to you. Okay, good. Distance is now smaller, 3, so north again. Okay, good, very good news. Maybe west. Okay, oh, good news. It's small. Maybe once again west. Okay, good. The treasure was at 1-1, and turtle is now happy with red. Okay, so maybe you can try it as many times as you want, but homework was try the 10 by 10. So maybe we can change this to 9. Okay, let's see this. Okay. In that case, we need to change the size. Maybe good thing is that we need to move this to before initialization, and the size, in that case, maybe say, okay, 10 times, 8 times. Okay, I see. We want 10. So 9 times, maybe we should change this to 30. Change this to 15. And we want to change this to 350 by 350. How about this? Okay, let's try to see how it looks like. Okay, good enough. Okay. So let's continue. I hope this works well. So starting from the center, going toward north. Okay, even further north. Oh, even further north. Okay. Again, north. Oh, it's big, so maybe go west. Oh, good news. Again, west, maybe. Again, west, maybe. Let's go to south. Good news. And which way? Maybe west. Okay, down the treasure was a 2, 3 here. Okay, 2, 3. Okay, good. I think we did it. So I hope you like this small game. And I really wish you try many variations as you like changing color, changing size, changing behavior of turtles, changing speed, something like that. Okay? I hope you will do it. Okay, let's move on to today's slide. So, today's lesson is playing with a name list. Okay, so let's go on. First, prepare the top 20 most popular baby names list. Okay, so let's see. Actually, it is in the description box below. So please copy it and paste it like this. Okay, let's see. In my case, I will copy it from here. Okay, in the meantime, we will add several new boxes and also add one text box to make a heading of playing with the name list. Okay, let's see. Let's copy the list from the description box and paste it here. Okay, let's run it. So it seems there are many baby names. So it's a popular baby name ranking in a certain country in a certain period in the past. Okay, so let's see. Do you remember how to find how many names are there in the list? Oh, yeah, right. So to do that, to get the number of elements in the list, we use len. Okay, so here we get that there are 20 names in it. Okay, good. So what is William's rank position? So this is in the order of popularity. The number, yeah, in the order of descending order of names that the number of babies with that name perhaps. So let's see, William. Okay, in that case, we can do names index. What is the index of William? Okay, or of course, okay, yeah, this will give William is at the 7th position. So maybe we can check that print, maybe names 7 will give William. Good, very good. So yeah, that's the way when to see the position of certain element. How about Isabella? Okay, in that case too, again, we can do that. For example, otherwise we can use another variable to put Isabella. I hope Isabella is here. Isabella. And then, yeah, we can ask, what is the position of X? Right. So again, we can write the position 5 is Isabella. Good. So Mary and John, are they in it? Mary. Okay. Yeah, Mary and John, they are the #1 popularity sometime very long time back, like 100 years back. So let's see. Again, Y is, so for example, Mary. And then the operator is in. Yeah, maybe you remember that. So Y in names. So this will give either true or false. So this one is false, okay? How about X? In case of X, it is true because X is Isabella and Isabella in the list, okay? So that's same for Carol, and you can do it as, no, I mean John. John in names, and this will give false, okay? So this means that John is not. Add Mary in the list. So putting Mary in the list, do you know how to do that? Maybe you remember that append is the operator to put Mary at the end of the list. So names, append, Mary. Mary is Y. Okay. This will give Okay, let's see. How many elements are there in the list? And then let's print the last 5 elements. You remember how to do that? Minus 5. Okay. Now, the list has the length of 21, and the last 5 are Daniel, Aiden, Mia, Logan, and Mary. Good. So Mary is added at the end of the list. Good. Very good. It's a very fundamental operator. The pen. Okay. Sort them in the alphabetical order. Maybe you don't know it. So to do that, we can use sorted function. So for example, L2, L is sorted names. Okay, this will give list of sorted version of L of names. So Aiden, Alexander, Ava, Benjamin. So you know it's in alphabetical order, dictionary order, going all the way down to Sophia and William. Very good. Okay. What is William's position? You found that. So maybe you know how to do that. So let's find it. Yeah. Stop the video and try it yourself. Okay. William. Okay. No. So maybe we can use L index and William. So what is the answer to this? Right. 21. Actually 20. Okay, it starts from 0. So 21st element is 20, indexed by 20. Okay, so L20 will print out the Williams, and it's the same as -1, the last element. William. Okay. How about Isabella? Right, Isabella is X. So maybe you can use L index X 8. Okay. Yeah, we can check that L8 sorted order list Isabella. Okay, fine. So that's all for today. Very simple, right? We learned several operators that are very important for handling list. Okay, so just homework. What is John's position? If you add John, so first you add John to the list. You know how to do it. And then sort it and find the alphabetical order of John in the new list. Okay? In the new list after Mary and John are appended. Okay, that's all for today. Be sure to come back. Bye-bye.